dear Virgos, and welcome to this week's readings with me. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that notification button. So, before I start, I would like to wish you all a very, very happy Christmas for all of you who are celebrating Christmas this weekend. And I wish you immense joy, love, happiness with all your loved ones. So, let's get started. And yes, festivities are the time when we can always, share it. So don't forget to share the cheer, the Christmas cheer, the goodies, the yummies, whatever is, you have a bit of it with those who don't have. All right, my dear ones. So let's get started. Let's see what is it for the Virgo Sun Moon rising. Well, the week begins with a masculine energy over here that you're dealing with, my dear Virgos. This can be a person who appears to be really cold and composed, but a person who is a very, very good advisor. So, most probably, some of you, my dear Virgos, are dealing with some person from the medical field, legal field. This also can be a father figure, an authority figure, your in your immediate colleague circle. This can be an authority, it can be a manager, your director, or a higher up in your enterprise. And you are dealing with this energy at the beginning of the week. Somebody in authority of knowledge, authority of action regarding a particular situation, and a very good advisor. So you are going to deal with this kind of a person at the beginning of the week. It can be purely administrative also, my dear Virgos, for some of you. And this person is not as cold and as bad as you might feel they are. They are really, really somebody who are there to help you, okay, who are going to give you the good advice, who are going to really help you through a particular situation. It can also be a friend, who is not really, very expressive, but who has wonderful knowledge, wonderful advice to give you about a particular situation. While some of you might be dealing with a lot of administrative papers at the beginning of the week, my dear Virgos, okay? Then we go to the midweek. Midweek, we are seeing, dear Virgos, is that your confidence is quite accelerated now. It's very enhanced and it's really fast now. You're really fast and you want to achieve things. And because of this go-getting thing that is coming up inside of you in the midweek, what is going to happen, my dear Virgos, is that you are going to make your material life more and more comfortable starting now. You're going to put in all your efforts. You're going to work a bit more in order to see that your bank balance looks pretty good, okay? Most probably it was not nourished so well, so now you're putting in more efforts and you're making it look nice. So thanks to all your efforts, which are going to see results midweek, my dear Virgos, so that you get what you want in terms of material security. This is what I am seeing for Virgos midweek. And I'm seeing also the communication skills are going to be really, really enhanced, my dear Virgos. So you should use your communication skills in order to get what you want especially regarding your work matters. If you have to negotiate with regarding your pay raise, or a particular project that you want, then the responsibility of that particular project also, then you can always discuss very well, and your communication skills are going to help you to bag it. This is what I see, my dear Virgos. And midweek, I'm also seeing for students, this is a very nice time to put in all your efforts in order to reap your harvest after. This is what I'm seeing for dear Virgos, okay? And then we come to the end of the week, and this is a wonderful energy because we can just expect nothing but the best when it comes to our sentimental life, when it is coming to our interpersonal relationship. There is all so many hearts, you saw so many hearts are over here, and it's saying that no matter what, love triumphs at the end, it's not about hatred, it's not about misunderstanding, it's about love that is going to be victorious always. Always love will win. This is what the end of the week is getting, this energy. So if you have been having misunderstanding with your family members, or with your beloved, or with a person that you have on your mind, there were some conflict, frictions that were created, then at the end of this week, my dear Virgos, I see that things are getting better. There will be a lot of harmonious communication with people, and lot of rapidity is seen in the like small joys are coming together, bonding together, and they are just forming a trail of joy. It's like a necklace of joy that is created, a circle of joy that is created around you. And this is the circle of harmony. This is the circle where you feel loved, you feel nourished, and you feel cherished also. This is what I'm seeing the end of this week. And I'm also seeing that there's going to be a lot of sincerity and honesty in your interpersonal relationship, the way you are communicating with each other, my dear Virgo. So it's a wonderful, wonderful energy, and this particular energy is here to just wipe the slate clear for the next year and to start anew. Now, my dear Virgos, if you've been having any kind of conflicts with anyone, if you've had any kind of fights or arguments with anyone, my dear Virgos, then at the end of this week, take this opportunity to just create harmony and peace and get it back into your life. Because as we go towards the next year, let us leave the negative baggage behind and let's walk lighter ahead, my dear Virgos. So thank you so much for listening, and it's a wonderful week, I see that. And please do like, share and comment, and I shall see you next week. Until then, take good care of yourself and enjoy all the yummies. Bye bye, God bless, bye.